We're looking at one last exponential solving problem. And the one we have here is 3e to the power of 5x minus 2 equals 1 over e to the power of 4 minus x. Now, when we go ahead and we look at this, the part on the right-hand side, there's no shape to have an exponent when you're trying to solve. I'd get it out of that fraction and just use e to the power instead of 4 minus x. Make that a negative power because it's in the denominator. The negative 4 minus x power. So over here stays the same. Now, it's that because instead of multiplying e 4 minus x times, we're really dividing it, so that's why it's a negative power. When you go ahead and, since we have this exponential, it's time to get it into like a logarithmic form. You can't put this side in the logarithmic form because it also has this 3, which is not a base. Only e is the base. The right-hand side only has e as the base, so you can go ahead and transform that into log form. So you have log base e, which I'm going to write as ln, because it's the natural log, that's log base e. And then you have, what's the parts over here, 3, I'll put in parentheses just so I don't lose track, 3 to the power of e to the 5x minus 2 equals this result, negative 4 plus x. So this came log base e of 3e to the 5x minus 2. Now, the part that we have to do is we have to get this x isolated. Right now it's mixed in with all this piece of natural log. We have, within that, logs multiplying, or multiplying within a log. A multiplication within a log is the addition of two separate logs. So we have ln, the natural log of 3, plus the natural log of e to the power of 5x minus 2 equals our negative 4 plus x. Well, since it's a power to a power, or not a power to a power, we have this natural log of this result to the power. We can go ahead and we could have moved it out to the front. It was silly of me to write that natural log there. We have parentheses 5x minus 2 times the natural log of e. Now, I mean, we could go distribute this natural log of e times each of these things, but the nice thing is natural log of e is 1. It's log base e that gets us to e, so the power that gets us from e to e. Think log base e of e, that's going to be 1, that power that gets you from this base e to e. So we have the natural log of 3, which we can plug into a calculator if we wanted to, plus 5x minus 2, because this is like multiplying by 1, equals negative 4 plus x. Now get all the x's to one side, get all the numbers to another. So you have natural log of 3 minus the number 2. This is not together in a log. Add 4. And then you have subtract 5x plus x. We can simplify with the natural log of 3 plus 2 equals negative 4x. Well, I have no idea what this number is, but when it comes out, we're going to take it and divide it by negative 4. And that will be our value for x. For making it through this video, there's my dog Carter. He's a video celebrity now. Have a good night.